I'm walking on the park. Here are so many rooster. Maraming manok dito. No rooster. Kruk, kruk, kruk. The rooster. Ang bango, guys. Ang bango ng mga trees. Kruk, kruk. Maraming rooster. Marami din ang walk sa park. I-share ko yung ganda ng Singapore. Yan, may pang-exercise. Sarap maglakad dito, guys. Ang bango. Ang bango ng mga trees. I share the beauty of Singapore. Thank you, guys. Wala akong mahuling squirrel. Wala akong ma-spotting. Dati ang daming squirrel. 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 Ay, nakabulol na bibig. Mga ibon. Ganda, guys. Yung ano na yan, river, diretso sa dagat yan, guys. Sarap ng simoy ng hangin, mabango, mga puno. Malayo-layo pa ako, guys. Nag-shortcut ako kasi dun sa other way, pataas yun eh. Kaya dito muna ako nagdaan. Yan ang bulaklak ko. Purple. Maria Irma favorite purple. Malapit na yung birthday ng Singapore National Day. Sa August 9. Ang ganda talaga ng simoy ng hangin. Grabe, maraming manok dito. Cute ng mga manok, oh. Babies. Hindi, matatanda na mga to. Yan, papasok ako doon. Dito, every corner may CCTV, guys. Nagpicture-picture. Basa. Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda. Malilim. Dito namin ko nakita ang ano dito. Hole. Sarap maglakad-lakad dito guys. Puno. Tsaka malinis. Maraming manok talaga rito guys. Huni ng mga kuliglig. Ayan guys, papasok sa kagubatan. Ito ng bulaklak oh. Iba-ibang klaseng spices. Ayan oh. Ceylon Leeward. Chinese ginger oh. Chinese ginger. May mga planting dito. Ayan oh, mga spices. May star apple din dito. Kaya lang yung mga dwarfs. Yung malilitang bunga. Yan, may papaya lilit. Saan kaya ako papasok dito? O doon? Papasok ako dito. You are here. Ayan, mga crab. Papasok ako dito. Tabi-tabi po. Kiraan po ako. Wala lang yata mag-isa dito ah. Marami na kasi naglakad. May tao naman pala. I'm not scary. May tao. May naglalakad. Bango. Maraming crab. Mud crab. May mga upuan din dito. Ang ganda dito guys. Napaka-cool. Sarap maglakad talaga dito. Maraming ibon. Iba-ibang klaseng ibon. Umulang kagabi. Kaya basa. Ayan, I share ko yung ng Singapore. I share. Ganda guys. Thank you so much. May mga bahay ng mud Walang lumalabas kasi basahin lupa. Thank you so much. Thank you my charity viewers, my friends in White World. Thank you so much. Middle of the forest. I adventure here. Adventure ako dito. See, the sound of the birds. So many birds. Yeah, and they have a hole. That's a crab inside. There's so many holes. The house of the... There is a crab. See there? There. It's a crab. They moving. There's crab. It's a mangrove. Hi, I am Espisa Sarma, Singaporeans you call. You can call me MP. Happy. I am a resident in this beautiful mangrove. Let me introduce you to my friends and our home. Singapore vinegar crab. Crab climb up trees during high tide. It's done this to avoid fish and other crabs who hand in with the incoming tide. During the night, the crab climb too high of over 6 a.m. to look. Oh, like that. If have a high tide, the crab is climb in the tree. There. Oh. During the night, the crabs climb to heights of over 6 a.m. to look for food. When out of the water, the crab remains motionless to avoid other predators like kingfishers, monitors, lizards, and others. Oh, ang dami oh. So many house of crabs.